Hello, grade 8. How are you today? I really miss all of you guys. I really miss Alex, who is helpful. Alex, we have same family background. You know, my major student Aquila, who is always my assistant. Axel, the handsome boy. Billy, athlete. Bunga, preman miss dalam kelas. Jesse, yeah, I really fall in love with your writings. Danny, you're so merciful. Do you remember when you give me your joy jar? I really touched by that. John, you're so calm. Kalem ya. Don Juan, thank you to always keep your promise. Edwin, do you still remember when you didn't like math and then I just relax and then one day you said that you really like math and I'm so blessed with your testimony. Owen, you're my athlete in my class. Cappy, your rambut pirang is so wow. All of you are really active, but I like it. And I'm so touched from all of your story. Joy, yang sering bilang, Miss, bantu dulu kah? Rio, sometimes you make me laugh. Kadang Miss ketawa-ketawa sendiri kalau lihat kamu. Marcel, kamu orang Makassar, KW. Shalomi, sometimes you over me too. Miss, saya mau cerita, thank you so much. And Vivian, my fastest and my neatly students, thank you so much. Yeah, all of you are so amazing. And I'm so thankful with God to have all of you. Thank you so much.
Today, Miss Effie will learn with you these the goals, the solve linear equations. So I have two kinds of the problems in here. The first one is 2x plus 3 equals to 9, 2x minus 9 equals to 3x plus 3, and 3 times 2y minus 3 equals to 5 times y minus 1. Okay, let's explain. Let's learn one by one. Number 1, 2x plus 3 equals to 9. Remember, when you want to find or you want to solve the problem of algebra, the kind of this one, it means that we want to find out the value of x. This one. How can we find out the value of x in here? Yes, good job, Alex. So you have to find out the opposite of positive 3. What's the opposite of positive 3? Yes, minus 3. So 2x plus 3 minus 3 equals to, when you minus 3 in the left side, it means you have the minus 3 in the right side. 9 minus 3. So 2x equals to 6. After you get this one, 2x and 6 is to find out the value of x. It means you have to divide both sides by 2. Yeah? 2. So x equals to 3. Yes, good job. Next, Jesse. How about if we have this one? Yes, good job, Jesse. So we have to make it in the same variable. 5x. See in here, 3x. And then when I find out in here, became minus 3x. Why? Because we cancel out the positive 3x, so we find out the opposite of 3x. Minus 3, minus 3x, minus 9, don't forget this one. And 3x, opposite-nya minus 3x plus 3. After that, you get 2x minus 9. This one is 0, so you get 3. After that, remember, we only want to find out the value of x. So what should you do with this one, Aquila? Yes, find out the opposite. So 2x minus 9 plus 9. So you positive 9, so in the right side, you have the positive 3 plus 9. So you get 2x equals to 12. After that, to make it become only x, what should you do? Good job, Jesse. Divide it by 2. So divide by 2, so you get x equals to 6. So, Rio, after this, do you have a question? No? Okay, let's continue. How about if we still have problems like this? Yes, Edwin, what should you do first? Yeah, multiply in the bracket. So 3 times 2y times minus 3, 5 times y minus 1. So 3 times 2y, 6y. 3 times minus 3, minus 9. 5 times y, 5y. 5 times minus 1, minus 5. So when you get this one, still same with this. To do it, it means that you have to call it the same variables. So 6y. Remember, when I minus 5y in here, it's because I found out the opposite of positive 5y in here, because I want to cancel out the 5y. So minus 9, minus 5y, so 5y, minus 5y, minus 5. It is the concept, the real concept. Yeah? So 6y minus 5y equals to y minus 9. This one is minus 5. After you get this one, remember, to find out the value of y, find the opposite of minus 9. What's the opposite of minus 9? Good job, Bunga. Positive 9. So y minus 9 plus 9. So minus 5 plus 9. Remember, should be balanced between both sides. Yeah? So y equals to minus 5 plus 9, 4. Good job. So, up to this, do you have question? No? Good job. Okay, the next steps is this kind of the problems. The first things that you have to remember is there is no difficult problems. It's only easy if, remember, if you want to learn about it, you want to get up if we fall down. So, number 4, 1 out of 3x minus 8 equals to 6. The concept is still same. To find out the value of x, you have to find out the opposite of this one. What's the opposite of minus 8? Don't you? Good job, positive 8. So 1 out of 3x minus 8 plus 8 equals to 6. Yeah, good job, don't you? When you plus 8 in here, it means you have to plus 8 in here. And then you get 14. Yeah? And then only minus 1 out of 3x. This is the equation from Aquila. So Aquila asks, Miss, x is obtained to 1 or obtained to 3? X is obtained of both of these numbers. But we can use like this. X, because 1 times x, 1x, out of 3 equals to 14. 14 in here divided by what? Good job, Axel. 1 out of 1. Yeah? And then we just cross multiply. Yeah, mix every. And then you get 1x times 1. 1x equals to 14 times 3, 32. So x equals to 42. Just that. Next question is this one. Miss, we said that there are many variables. But don't worry about it. It's still an easy problem. Just do it one by one. So 5 out of 2y in here, yeah, plus this is the improper fraction, so you have to make it the proper fraction. To become proper fraction is 3 times 2, 6, plus 1 is 7, so 7 out of 2. Remember, 3 times 2 plus 1, so 7 out of 2 equals to 2 out of 3y plus 5. After this one, yeah, still same with the previous concept, making the same variables. So to make it become same variables, it means we have to cancel out this one, 2 out of 3y. How? It means that we want to find out the opposite of positive 2 out of 3y. What's the opposite? 2 out of 3y? Yes, good job, Gabby. Minus 2 out of 3y. So, 5 out of 2y minus 2 out of 3y equals to, plus 7 out of 2 equals to 2 out of 3y minus 2 out of 3y plus 5. Yeah? Next. John, what should we do? Yeah, this one have same variables, but they have a different So make it the same denominator. To make it same denominator, just run out the KPK, lowest common multiple. So the lowest common multiple is 6. Yeah. So 6. To make it become 6, it means you multiply with 3. So multiply both numbers by 3. 5 times 3, 15. 2 times 3 is 6. So 15 out of 6y minus this one, same. To make it become 3, you have to multiply with, good job, by 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4y. And then plus 7 out of 2. This one is 0, so only 5. Yeah. After that, yeah, you just do subtraction, addition. Then you get 11. 11y out of 6 plus 7 out of 2 equals to 5. After you get this one, remember, you just went out the opposite of positive 7 out of 2. So what is the opposite of 7 out of 2? Do you know? Yes, good job. Minus 7 out of 2. So 11y 6 plus 7 out of 2 minus 7 out of 2 equals to 5 minus 7 out of 2. Yeah? And then you get this one is 11y out of 6. So for this one, you have to make it the same denominator. So what's the denominator? It is 2. So 2. To make this one, because it is 5 out of 1, to make it become 2, it means you multiply it with, yes, good job as well, by 2. So 5 times 2, 10. Minus 7 out of 2. So you get 11y out of 6 equals to 3 out of 2. And then after that, yeah, Miss Effie will make it in here. Where's the eraser? (11y out of 6 equals to 3 out of 2. You just cross multiple. So 22y equals to 18. So y equals to, so it means you have to divide it both sides by 22. Yeah? This one divided by 22, this one by 22. So you get y equals to 18 divided by 22. Don't forget making the simple. So it means you divide by 2, you get 9 out of 11. So y equals to 9 out of 11. Just that.